Good afternoon, Tarunpreet. Good morning, rather. Okay, Smyantak is
Good
also.
morning.
Good morning. Let's have Smyantak also. Now I don't say anything. Those who want to come, come. The reason being hardly 120 days are left. After this, you'll have your exams and then they'll realize that what they are lacking. But I've shared on the screen a notice giving you 2 minutes. Please go through the notice very nicely. It's about
Good
an
morning,
inter-school
ma'am.
politics. Good morning, dear. Good morning. Please go through this very quickly. There's a notice on your screens. Just read it. Children, are you clear about your syllabus part of writing section? Or you're not sure? You're not clear about things? What will come in board exams? What is the syllabus? What choice will be?
Morning, ma'am.
All these things.
Ma'am, please one time confirm it, ma'am. Actually, we know, but
Good
please
morning,
confirm
ma'am.
it, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. I just want you people to first tell me, let us discuss about deletions, the entire, just 1 minute we'll wait for. If there's anybody else who's joining, let them join and let me discuss first the syllabus part so that at least you know what you need to prepare better. Okay, we'll just wait for 1 minute. By the time you read this, what is on your screens? I'll wait for 1 minute and then I'll start discussing. Let's first talk about deletions. What all things are deleted? Tell me what all things are deleted, children.
Note making, summarizing, poster making, speech, debate.
These letters that you had for complaints, all the business and official letters.
So
That
business
is not
letter.
letter of inquiry, letter of complaint, letter asking information, placing orders. I had done in the beginning with you. All that is not going to come now. So what is going to come? Let's talk about that. What is the total weightage of writing section? Anyone out of 80? No idea?
No, ma'am.
Beta. See, this time the paper is going to be 40 marks subjective. Clear? Subjective part is only 40 marks. Is it clear for everybody? The rest
Yes,
is
ma'am.
all objective. So when we talk about comprehensions, we'll have all objective main answers. You'll have to select choices are there. So the subjective part is only 40 marks, where 24 marks will be for literature and 16 marks of a writing section. So when we talk about subjective part, it is only 40 marks, 24 marks is literature, and your 16 marks will be the writing section. Now in writing section, what all is going to come? You will have number one, a short writing task of 3 marks. Matlab, we will have 2 short writing tasks, each of 3 marks. 3 plus 3 becomes 6. The first short writing task will be, there will be a choice between a notice and an advertisement. See, in advertisement, you've got so many options. And it is very clear that you'll get a choice between a notice and an advertisement. So please decide what you have to do. Though I will train you in both of them, but it is better आप decide कर लो that what I'll be doing. I'll suggest notice करो because notice is very easy. Advertisements में you will not know. They may tell you to make an advertisement for anything. So बहुत wide हो जाता है. So it is better you go for notice writing. So 3 marks you have here for advertisement / notice. The second short writing task is again 50 words, where again you'll have a choice. Invitation and replies, either a formal invitation or an informal invitation. Clear, everybody? I have already done this. Accepting and denying formal and informal invitations, and also sending invitation. This part I have already done. So there'll be a choice again, 3 marks, either formal or informal. So this 3 plus 3 makes 6. Now come to letter writing. This is 5 marks. 5 marks means you have to write somewhere between 120 to 150 words. Better word limit का भी ध्यान रखिए. The writing section, which is of 3 marks, you have to write in 50 words. And 5 marks wala you will be writing in 120 to 150 words. Again, you have a choice in this. Either you will do a letter to the editor, or you will write job application letter with CV. Again, you have to take a decision what you want to do. I would again suggest letter to the editor karo, zyada easy rehta hai. But then it's entirely your choice. So either a job application with CV or letter to the editor. And the last one is article writing or report writing, which is again of 120 to 150 words, 5 marks, which I had revised yesterday with you. Yesterday we did this report writing, if you remember. We had done about report writing. Did you go to school yesterday?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what all happened?
Signature and LOC. And ma'am, but ma'am, I went in the starting and no application was signed by my parents for the pre-board exam. But some students were telling that afterwards some signatures were done on that paper.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Principal sir has taken signature that the student will come for giving exam from 20 in November.
Yes, ma'am. But I did not got any such paper.
So how many of you signed? How many of you signed? How many of you did not sign?
I signed
Ma'am,
one time each.
I did not sign because
I signed on that paper, that pre-board one, but not signed on LOC because of short attendance. Sir has said that after 1 month you will permitted for this sign on LOC, and I will pay your fee, extra fee that will be on late fee on registration. Sir, principal sir said.
So your attendance is short.
Yes, ma'am. Sir said, but I don't know. Many of students of our class don't have. They have less than they have very less attendance than me. Also, then also they are permitted, but I don't know why they are not permitted to me.
Beta, the names were given by the class teacher only. Sir must be having an attendance record. It is not possible that students who've got less attendance are being allowed, because this
No, ma'am.
attendance record.
No, many students of my class received letter, but or that short attendance, but they have get permission.
Yes, ma'am, this happened.
Who are the students?
Ma'am, there were I think 7 students, which were Ashish, Kinshuk, Sanya, and more. I remember 3 names. But they got to sign the LOC because Ashish was with me when I went to school.
So they were made to sign the LOC.
I am not sure, but yes, he was in the office. He went after me, so I don't confirm.
Is any one of them in the meeting? Is there anyone in the meeting today?
Yes, ma'am. All of them were.
Ashish, no, I'm talking today. Today's meeting,
No,
are you
ma'am.
there? No.
No, not there.
Then I'll tell principal, sir, that why are they being signed? Again, they're not there for the class today.
Ma'am, they never join English classes and all. Then also, ma'am,
No. How can they get this? How can they sign it today? Again, they're not there today. I'll speak to principal, sir. There were few names which had gone, and especially Sanya. I remember there was a big issue for Sanya. Even Surbhi ma'am was very much problematic, and I also had certain issues with this girl that she does not attend classes. So has she
Yes,
signed
now
the
also.
LOC?
I don't know, but now also
I am
7
attending
hours.
your class from after that letter, but then also, ma'am, I am not allowed. Ma'am, I am attending every English class now, ma'am.
बेटा मुझे बताओ, I will speak to sir today. Let me note down the names. ऐसे injustice नहीं होने दूंगी मैं, don't worry. Tell me your names quickly. After the letter you started coming, tell the names. Ishu,
Ma'am, Vishu, sir said that they are rusticated. Raman sir said that, yeah,
Okay.
Vishu and Akshay, these three.
and
they
who are the ones? One is Sania, yes, number one. Then Kinshuk. And
Ma'am, Kinshuk attends the business, accounts, and economics classes. I don't know about it.
anyways, she's not coming for my class and should be math class. I'll discuss with principal, sir. I will not let it done so easily. Their names were given. How come they have signed? Sania, Kinshuk, who else?
Mashi's name was there.
Ashish Nyal, yes, his name was also there. Still, they are not there. Today, I'll tell sir. I'll just give him a call after my classes.
My name was also there, but ma'am, I am attending your class from
now-
the when I
now
received the letter.
Have you signed your LOC now?
No, ma'am, they have not permitted me.
Tell me the name. I'll speak to sir. Taranpreet.
Ma'am, Piyush Patel, ma'am.
पीयूष मैं बात कर लेती हूँ आपकी ना सर से, डोंट वरी. Anybody else with such kind of a case?
And ma'am, ma'am, last date is on 15. So ma'am, ma'am, I will, ma'am, can I pay that fee, that registration fee? I have to pay that registration fee or not, ma'am, because I have not signed on LOC that.
Don't worry. एक काम करना, today late evening, you do one thing, today message me late in the evening. Till then
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
speak to sir. And once I'll speak to sir, then you pay your fees.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Who else has issues of this kind? Beta, but you have to remember, you have to message me, Piyush.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
With your name.
Okay.
For sure, I'll speak to sir. Anybody else
No, ma'am.
who has any issues, who was not made to sign LOC or something?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, when I went to school, ma'am, on LOC only my mother's signatures were taken. I have not signed.
Acha, I don't know. Students are signing. Did the others sign?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
later on, ma'am, students were also signing. But in the early, when the meeting started, then the students, I guess, were not signing the LOC.
So others were made to sign.
Yes, ma'am.
Taranpreet,
Yes, ma'am.
did you sign
Yes,
the
ma'am.
LOC or some other paper
Yes,
for
ma'am.
coming to school? Something?
No, ma'am. The paper that was the paper that was saying that the student have to come to give tribute. That on that my father signed, but on LOC my father, my mother, and me signed. Ma'am. I
Okay.
signed. Ma'am.
You also signed. And it's meant
Yes,
that your
ma'am.
signature is not taken on LOC.
No, ma'am, not on LOC and neither on that pre-board examination form.
Fine. It's meant that your issue also I will discuss with sir today. Any other problem? Anybody? Shubhadeep, what
ma'am.
about you? Your attendance was also short. Shubhadeep.
No, my attendance is not short.
Sure. Vansh, what
Ma'am,
about you?
this is the problem because ma'am, I am attending many students I know that who have not attended class regularly. Then also they are permitted to be signed. But ma'am,
Yes.
I just miss some
Yes, ma'am.
some of classes.
This is absolutely wrong. I don't know what feedback, how it has been sent. Shubhadeep, I don't remember you
I
attended English.
don't know, ma'am. I am regular in all the classes. Then also sir told me that your attendance is short. And मैम उन्होंने एक फॉर्म दिया 75% वाला कि अगर जनवरी तक रोज प्रेजेंट नहीं हुए तो
Yes,
So
ma'am.
daily
मेडिकल
आप
सर्टिफिकेट
regular
लगवाना
करते हो,
गवर्नमेंट का
Vansh, but you are not regular for my classes.
नो
Ma'am,
I'm very
ma'am, in your class and Surveyam class, only 6 to 7 students were there of commerce
That's what
section.
I'm saying.
Rest
Na?
all
Vansh,
others was of
yes,
science.
don't come. Once you were not there for English classes, I'm very sure. But anyways, then it should be done with all the students. I'm again saying.
Ma'am, is I ever said that? Ma'am, is I ever said that I live in village, so I am unable to attend the class.
No, Vansh, you also have not been made to sign the LOC?
No, ma'am, I have
Once
signed it.
you
Ma'am,
have
I have
signed it.
signed it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Shubhadeep has also signed.
No, ma'am.
Shubhadeep, you have not signed your LOC?
Yes, ma'am. I haven't gone to school yet.
Actually, you've not gone to school only, so that's a different case. So only the problem is only with Piyush Patel, he was not made to sign, and Isme Antak, his signatures were not taken. Only two problems.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, theek hai. Vansh, you've signed? Vansh, have you signed, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Your attendance wala issue to nahi hai. All is fine.
Yes, ma'am, signed.
Okay, fine. So I'll be discussing about Piyush Patel's attendance wala thing, that he should pay his fee, and second is Isme Antak, right? His signatures are not done. No other confusions now? Chalo, very
No,
good.
ma'am.
Don't worry, if you're coming regularly to the class, I will know your names. I'll certainly put forward. Piyush, don't worry. If you're regular after the first letter, today I'll take up your stand. Don't worry. By late
Okay,
evening,
ma'am.
I'll give you the news to pay the fee. I'll certainly discuss with sir. If other students like Sanya and all have been allowed, then we'll see what Sanya is doing. Sanya to never comes for classes. Maybe she's also not allowed. Maybe the feedback which has gone to sir is not correct according to the different subjects.
Students who are
Maybe she's
I
taking
have
attending.
one more question.
Maybe she's attending different other subject classes, no? So according to that basis, the main optional subjects that the main subjects that you have, economics, commerce, accounts, whatever, उसके base पे हो सकता है her attendance must be good.
And ma'am, in the optional period also, ma'am, only 2 or 3 students are there in PHC.
Yes, ma'am.
So basically, I'll request sir that he should consider today. I'll request sir. I'll discuss with him that English and optional attendance should also be considered. I think these people, Sanya and Kinshuk, they are coming for the main subjects. So it is on that basis only that the attendance is considered to be fine. I got it now. What is the confusion? Probably this has not been conveyed to sir, that it is only the main subjects, English and optionals, they don't come. I'll just discuss with sir today. You people don't worry. Justice will be done for all. Don't worry. Beta ji,
Excuse me, ma'am.
just see. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please send us the sample papers of English for practice.
Yes, beta, I will discuss in your class only, next class, the sample papers which have come. I'll share on my screen and I'll discuss the papers in my next class with you. I've already downloaded them. I was planning to do this only with you people. So, Friday is my next class, day after tomorrow. Friday, 5th period, I have a class. I'll be discussing the sample papers only with you people. Okay?
Okay,
I've
ma'am.
already downloaded all the new sample papers, but they're very important to see. You should know how many MCQs are coming. Even in literature, you have MCQs now. So I'll discuss the sample paper with you. We'll do it on Friday. Friday is again my class, so I'll discuss it with you on Friday. Abhi, to just see this notice, all of you, giving 2-3 minutes, see the notice very nicely, very carefully.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Very carefully see the format, where the name of the school is written, where city is written. When you write the subject, ध्यान से देखो बेटा, the first letter of every word is capital. Inter I is capital, school ka S is capital, dramatics ka D is capital, है ना? So see it very nicely when you see these kind of things.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, in writing section, like on notice, advertisement, then formation, informal invitation, letter to editor, letter for job, CV, article, something, ma'am.
Yes, you're right. I already told you there's a choice between report writing and article writing. Similarly, there's a choice between
Yes,
job
ma'am.
application and letter to the editor. These are 5
Yes,
5
ma'am.
marks. Tomorrow, when we'll see the sample paper, you'll understand more. And 3 marks choice for formal informal invitation and 3 marks for this notice or advertisements. I would suggest better you people go for notice, though we have done already advertisements also. But advertisements with there's a lot of variety. There are so many options. They can give you anything. When it comes to notice writing, the format remains the same. Most of the cases. Please see the format. Then have you seen the format, everybody? This is about inter-school dramatics
Yes,
competition.
ma'am.
So whenever you have a drama competition or sports competition or painting competition, any competition, you can go according to the same format. See, there is one next one which I'm showing you. This is the notice for meeting. If you have to write a notice for meeting, then who will be called for the meeting, date and time duration of the meeting, venue of the meeting, contact person, purpose of the meeting, details, who is going to attend the meeting, and if there are any specific instructions. Please read this. This is a meeting for celebration of Christmas Day. Go through it very quickly. I'm discussing all the possibilities of notice writing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in Times of India, there was a headline that CBSE boards may be postponed or either further syllabus will be cut down. Is it true or it's just a rumor?
Beta, I have also heard that syllabus would be further cut down. This I have also heard. Now, how much the 30% they've already cut down? Hardly
Ma'am, but
anything is.
when they have released the sample papers now, how they can?
Yes, ma'am. CBSE chairman paper
Paper
are
beta,
issued.
yes, they'll say they can do anything. They have the power to do, authority to do. Even after releasing these sample papers, they can cut short the syllabus. It's their choice. See, they're taking a feedback from different schools of the country. So according to that feedback, they said they will decide. If needed, they will cut the syllabus. So Abhi, we don't know. They are taking feedback from the heads of the schools. What is the condition of the syllabus? Are the children confident? Maybe they decide not to cut. Maybe they decide they cut. Which day did you
And
read
ma'am,
this?
yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, are there any chances of school reopening in October?
Beta, the CBSE has allowed class 10th and 12th students to come for doubt solving sessions if they want to come and practicals. But then they've given a choice to the parents and the parents need to give a written. If the parent gives in written that yes, we are allowing our child, only then the child will be allowed to come to school. So we had taken a feedback, if you remember. Sir had posted a message on class 11th and 12th groups
Yesterday,
asking the
ma'am,
students.
that ma'am, sir have taken sign yesterday on that paper, ma'am.
He must have taken it from few students because that day I remember when it was put on the group, I checked out all the groups of class 11th and 12th. Not even a single student said yes to come to school. Earlier, we were planning to open by 15th October on alternate days. But since we need parents' written permission and nobody of you opted for it, so as of now, we have dropped the idea. We'll see later what happens. How many give their written consent? It depends on this, na beta. Apart from Taranpreet, who else has given the consent? Let's see how many are there to come now. Anybody else
Ma'am,
has signed?
yes, ma'am.
Who?
Piyush.
Piyush, you also signed.
Yes, ma'am.
You people have only signed or you will seriously come also?
Ma'am, principal sir just said to my father that he needs to sign here, so my father signed, ma'am.
Okay.
But I will come, ma'am, for pre-boards.
Okay, for pre-boards you're planning to come. Chale, that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
nice.
And same with
I
me, pre-boards I will come.
I think for pre-boards only, children would come, they would come for pre-boards because beta, you should write your pre-boards. You are not in the habit of writing for 3 hours. How will you write your board exams? See, when you were
Yes, ma'am.
going to school, little bit, you were writing every day in the class. And a bit of homework also you were doing. Nowadays, because of these online classes, nobody is writing anything. So we are not in the practice of writing. And you will have to write for 3 hours when you go for your exams. So बहुत problem हो जाएगा if you are not in the practice of doing it. So you need to write your pre-boards seriously. That is why we are having one more exams in November before pre-boards. So that you get into the habit of writing at least for 3 hours.
Ma'am, in
Abhi to I'm
November,
sure
full syllabus will come.
no beta, full syllabus will not come. Whatever came in the first half will not come. Whatever did not come will come. You gave your half yearlies. The first term exam did you give?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
whatever came in that will not come. It will come this side. Whatever has been done after that, that will come, but not the entire syllabus. Then when we have our pre-boards in December, then the entire syllabus would come. Okay?
Okay,
See,
ma'am.
it will be good for you also, beta, because first half of syllabus you have already revised for your first exams. And now this way you'll revise the second half also. Then when you go for your pre-boards in December, you will be ready with both the parts. I hope so. This is what I feel. I don't know now. See, this is a notice for Interhouse Dramatics competition. This is a historical tour. Sometimes this also comes. Please see this notice also. The Social Society is organizing a 20 days tour to Chennai. Just read this notice which is related to the school going on a tour. Did you see this? Where is the school going better for tour? Tell me after reading this notice.
Ma'am, Chennai, Mysore,
For
Rameshwaram, and Kanyakumari.
good. How many days tour it is?
20 days.
Okay, it is a 20 days tour. This shows that you have read it very nicely. Very good. See, notice is very scoring. That is why I was saying that it's better you go for notices. Read this. Read this one now. Although it's about dramatics competition, but see how classes have been specified. It's a little different one. Read this.
I'm done.
Tell me what did you read in this beta?
Ma'am, the school is organizing a inter-house dramatics competition, and the students of class 6 to 12 can participate on 31st January in the auditorium, and all the house captains have to submit their scripts of uh, the the script which they have planned by 25 January.
Very good. See, he has not missed out anything. Too good, beta. बहुत ही अच्छी. Very good. Now, this was what I showed you first. This was for celebration of which day? Christmas Day. That was the first one we did. So this is historical tour. This is dramatics competition. And then we did about a meeting. This was important. This was a meeting part also. See this meeting comp part. Tell me who all have to come for the meeting.
Ma'am, where, ma'am?
Ma'am, it's showing the dramatics one notice on the screen.
Okay, see. Okay, meeting. Let me see this. Here. This is the meeting part. See the key points here. What should be included in the meeting notice? Who has called the meeting? Beta, I'll give you 2 minutes. इस notice से you will give me the answers. I'll tell you how. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखना. Like I'll show this to you. Both the things on your screen will here. I'll ask who has called the meeting. You will check from here and tell me who has called. So all these points, most of them should be included in the notice. These are the questions. Check out with the answers in the notice and tell me how many are present in this. Just 1 minute, then we'll start discussing.
Ma'am, in the notice, the date is not specified, but it's written on 6th. So we will assume it on 7th December.
Okay, see what he's saying. The meeting is called to discuss for Christmas Day. You should come with your ideas. Very good. See, he has got a very important point which is wrong in this. It should not be this. We should mention about the date also. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Anything else you find? Too good. Any other detail which you feel is wrongly written or is missing, यहाँ से पढ़ो. All details which are needed and over here. Too good, beta. Very good observation.
No, ma'am, rest all points are there.
Rest you feel everything is okay? The notice
Yes,
for
Yes, ma'am.
meeting? Same thing we are going to compare here. What are the details which are required for this? Match with these details and this notice. See how perfectly it is written. Is there something wrong? Are we missing on something?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what, beta?
Expenditure estimate is not given.
yes.
What is not given? Expenditure estimate.
Expenditure is
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that part is less. You could have added it. Too good. Think more. Add on.
where cost and other costs included are not there. It's the same expenditure estimate.
This fare cost and other costs included. Means this they're basically talking about transportation, but this can be included in expenditure estimate, no doubt. So otherwise you feel this is okay? There's no problem in this notice? Something is missing? Who can participate is clearly mentioned.
Students of class 6 to 12.
Now, if you were to write such a notice of this historical tour for your school, think of something more which you could have added on, which you think will be needed by the students. Can you think of something like this? Which you
Ma'am,
feel ki hona chahiye?
Ma'am, there's we could have mentioned the specific historical places like the states. Oh, the states are given, but not exactly the places are there.
Okay. He feels that we should have mentioned the places also so that children get to know exactly where they are going. This is a very good suggestion. Others, beta, supposing you as a student get this notice, तो क्या क्या बात दिमाग में आएगी कि ये तो पता नहीं है कहाँ कहाँ जाएंगे, you know, all these kind of things. So what all things can come to your mind which is missing in this?
Ma'am,
Yes, continue.
the transportation like by railways or roadways, something like
Yes, ma'am. The mode of transportation.
Exactly. Excellent. How they
that.
would be good. Yes, as a student, अगर आप देखोगे, oh, we have to go so far, we have to go to Chennai and Kanyakumari, then you should know how we are going, isn't it? That also you should know. Very good. Excellent. One more thing is missing. One very important thing which I feel is missing.
Ma'am, what is allowed in the trip and what is not allowed? You can also
Yes,
mention that.
that will tell once the students see. Why should we tell everybody? That will tell when those students say we are interested. We will tell them what they will carry, what not. One very important thing is missing. Batao kya?
Ma'am,
Let me
Father,
see.
father's
date on which part?
consent.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
On which day? Ma'am.
permission, or we can say
Yes,
about
exactly. The dates are not mentioned only. Okay. How would I
Yes,
know? Okay,
ma'am.
it is given. When will the tour go? Supposing I have a wedding in my family or I have
Yes,
already
ma'am.
planned to go somewhere, then how would I know whether I should give my name or I should not give my name?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Only
The
the
most important thing. हाँ बेटा, कि कब से कब
that.
तक? What are the 20 days? It's a long tour.
Yes,
How many days? 20 days.
yes,
So
ma'am.
we cannot plan. The first thing that will come to our mind is कि कब जाना है? Because accordingly, maybe we have some other commitments in the family. We are not able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
go. Yes, very good, बेटा. ये सबसे
But
important
ma'am,
मुझे भी
ma'am, I have a
Yes.
doubt, ma'am. If we'll mention that each and everything, then ma'am, we'll exceed the word limit. If we'll go into the detail.
Beta, you have to frame sentences in such a way. Like the school society is organizing a 20 days tour, bracket, 20th September to 10th October. Bracket में कर दिया छोटा सा, to South India. Okay, full stop. Places like this would be visited. Second sentence में बस ये बता दो 2-3 main places and many others. Third, interested students must submit their parents' acceptance and deposit rupees 2500. And last में आप ये लिख सकते हो, for more details, contact the undersigned. If somebody
Ma'am,
wants to
also
know more,
we could mention the staying locations like where we'll stay and we'll
okay,
visit.
count how many words are there in this. Count quickly. How do we count? One line में words count करो, multiply by the number of lines.
Ma'am, approximately
Ma'am, 56 words.
57 or 58. Ma'am, more than 50.
More than 58.
Ma'am, more
ठीक
than
है,
50. Ma'am, approximately 57.
बेटा, because prepositions and conjunctions count नहीं होते हैं 50 में. Like to, and, the, ये सब नहीं count होता है in word limit. So this is perfect, appropriate. Okay? 58 बिल्कुल ठीक है यहाँ पे, because ये जितने भी words हैं like you have, is, to, and, the, ये सब नहीं count होता. Prepositions, conjunctions, articles, they're not included in the word limit. So this is
Okay, ma'am.
perfect. इसमें कुछ problem नहीं है. 57, 58 words easily because 7, 8 तो ऐसे निकल ही आएंगे. अगर आप देखो the first sentence is the, then is, a, to, 4 words तो
There,
आपको first sentence, yeah, in the first sentence only you're getting 4 words of this kinds. इसी तरह third में भी आ रहे होंगे. Or, to, is, for, of. All these words are not included in the word limit. I hope little bit is okay, a bit clear about how to write notices.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next time